Hey everyone, welcome to another video here on the Tom737 Fly channel. Right now I'm going to be teaching you how to calculate your top of descent and your descent angle, okay? So I'm going to be taking this example, which I'm going to be flying a little bit later on. This is Eurotran 7277 flight from Larnaca to Athens on the Airbus A300-600. Flight is going to originate in Larnaca via the Pathos 1 Delta departure, expecting runway 4 as that is the active for departure. And then going to be flying into Athens with the Varix 3 Charlie arrival into runway 3 right or 3 left, it depends. So, if you're not going to be flying just a procedure, for example, to which you need to be at certain waypoints of the procedure at a certain altitude. This is what I'm trying to say, guys. For example, as you can see, the arrival is made up of waypoints. SIDS and stars are made out of waypoints. So if we were to get the chart for the arrival, so this one would be the Varix 3 Charlie. So Varix 3 Charlie. So if we need to be at the Care VOR at a certain altitude, for example 8,000 feet, here it states 8,000 feet, we need to know that this is the point where we need to be at 3,000 feet, okay? So this maybe won't be too clear for now. So the Varix Charlie isn't really made up of too many let's say there are too many waypoints. It's just basically a straight line, and then you can fly some radar vectors and just align yourself. So we need to be at 8,000 feet at the KVOR. It doesn't really state what speed. Max 230 knots. That's not a problem. So say we're cruising at flight level 350, 35,000 feet. We have to know that from 34,000 feet we need to go down to 8,000 feet. So now we simply have to calculate the difference between 34,000 and 8,000. So I'm going to go ahead and do this. So 34,000 minus 8,000, which gives us 26,000. So there's a 26,000 feet difference between 34,000 and 8,000 feet. So now what we have to do is we have to calculate the difference, so in this case 26,000 times 3, or you can just simplify by taking away the zeros, so that would be just 26 times 3, to which we would get 78. So we know that we have to descend 78 miles out from the KVOR in order to be at 8,000 feet at the KVOR for our arrival. Okay, excellent. So this is how many miles we have to start the descent. So now let's calculate the top of descent. So let's take our true airspeed, so our ground speed, so in this case, for example, 400 knots, and then we'd have to divide that by 2, which gives us 200. And then we need to add a 0, so that is 2,000. So we know that we have to descend 78 miles out at 2,000 feet per minute. So this is a quick and easy way that is going to help you to calculate your top of descent, especially if you're flying an aircraft which does not have automatic descent planning and descent management. So as you can see here, the approach starts at Varix, then to Care, and once you're at Care, you can go ahead and just fly on normal heading, normal track, and that is it. Okay. So you can have experiments with this. There's no type of as you can see, it's a very direct method of calculation. So I hope you enjoy the video, guys. This is just a really quick and easy tutorial. Let me know if this has helped you. I'm pretty sure it's probably the best way to calculate top of descent that I know of. It really helps, and it helps really well. So thank you so much for deciding to watch this video. See you in the Next one, stay safe and fly safe.